Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the topic how to classify the ketones. It is called as a question classification of ketones. Yesterday we finished the topic how to classify the aldehyde. You know the aldehyde divided into two types, aliphatic aldehyde and ketone. What here? Second, aromatic aldehyde. Same here we take a question how to classify the ketones. What here? Ketone. You know ketone. What is ketone? So ketone is defined as the substance in which the two similar alkyl group or one alkyl group and second aryl group attached to the carbonyl carbon called as a ketones. So now ketone also classified into two types. First called as the aliphatic ketones. So we take the point here, the first aliphatic ketones, and second is called as what here? The aromatic ketones. So first of all we take the what is the aliphatic ketones. So the aliphatic ketone is defined as the compound in which the CO group, CO group means what here? C double bond O group attached to what here? The alkyl group, attached to a alkyl group. This CO group is called as what here? This CO group it is called as what here? The oxo group. What here? Oxo, or what here? The ketonic group. Okay, the compound in which the CO group means carbonyl carbon or ketonic carbonyl group, ketonic carbonyl group or oxo group attached to the alkyl group, it is called as the aliphatic ketones. What here? It is called as the aliphatic ketones. Clear beta? So the aliphatic ketone is defined as the compound in which the carbonyl carbon attached to the alkyl group called as the aliphatic ketones. Now this aliphatic ketone further divided into two types. This aliphatic ketone also classified into two categories. First called as what here? Simple or symmetrical aliphatic ketones. What here? Simple or symmetrical aliphatic ketones. What is the simple or symmetrical aliphatic ketone? So it is defined as the two similar alkyl or aryl group attached to the ketonic carbonyl group or oxo group, means CO group. When two similar alkyl or two similar aryl, AR called as the aryl group, attached to the oxo group or ketonic carbonyl group, it is called as the simple or symmetrical aliphatic ketones. Clear beta? The simple symmetrical aliphatic ketone defined as the two similar alkyl or aryl group attached to carbonyl carbon or oxo group or ketonic carbonyl group called as what here? The simple symmetrical aliphatic ketone. The name of this compound is called what here? Dialkyl ketone. Here it is called what here? Diaryl ketones. Clear beta? So it is called as simple or symmetrical aliphatic ketones. Clear? Now we take the B point here. So we take the B point here what? Mixed. What here? The mixed or unsymmetrical what here? The aliphatic ketone. शॉर्ट फॉर्म में एक के लिख रहे हैं हम लोग. एक मीन्स aliphatic ketones. So the mixed or complexed or unsymmetrical aliphatic ketone is defined as the compound in which two different alkyl group or one alkyl group and second aryl group attached to the oxo group or ketonic carbonyl group called as the mixed or unsymmetrical aliphatic ketone. For example, this CO means oxo or ketonic carbonyl group attached to the one alkyl group and second aryl group. It is called as what here? Mixed or unsymmetrical aliphatic ketones. Clear beta? Okay. Or this CH3 attached to CO C2H5, it is the ethyl group, it is the methyl group, both group are different. So this two example is called what here? The mixed or unsymmetrical what here? Aliphatic compound. Clear hai beta? So we discuss the question how to classify the ketone. Ketone are classified into two categories, first called as the aliphatic and second is called as aromatic. First we started here aliphatic ketones what here? The carbonyl group or oxo or ketonic carbonyl group attached to the alkyl group called as the aliphatic ketone. Aliphatic ketone are divided into two types depend upon the two similar or different alkyl group or attached to the what here? The carbonyl carbon. So first called as simple. Simple means what here? The two similar alkyl or aryl group attached to the carbonyl carbon or ketonic carbonyl carbon called as simple ketones or symmetrical ketones, whereas the what is the mixed unsymmetrical ketones? So the compound in which the carbonyl carbon attached to the two different alkyl group or one alkyl group and second aryl group called as what here? The mixed or unsymmetrical aliphatic compound or ketones. Okay? Now we take the second point here. What here? Aromatic ketones. So we take the question, what is the aromatic ketones? So the aromatic ketone is defined as, okay, so the aromatic ketone is defined as the what here? The carbonyl carbon attached to the aromatic ring. It means whether this carbonyl carbon attached to the two similar bearing means a aryl group or one alkyl group and second aryl group called as the what here? The aromatic ketones. Clear? एक बार रिपीट करेंगे पर डिफरेंशिएशन की देखो. Aromatic ketone is defined as the ketonic group means a carbonyl carbon CO group attached to two similar aryl group or one aryl group and second alkyl group called as what here? Aromatic ketones. For example, we take example of benzophenone, in which the carbonyl carbon or ketonic carbonyl carbon attached to two benzene, it means C6H5. It is called as what here? It is called as benzophenone. And the benzophenone in which the two similar aryl group attached to the oxo or ketonic carbonyl carbon, it is called as the aromatic ketone. Second example we take here, one aryl group and second what here? Alkyl group means we take the CH3. It is called as what here? So it is called as the acetophenone. So it is also the example of what here? The aromatic ketones. This is called as what here? Aryl or phenyl. Both phenyl group, this also write in the form of ring also. Like that of this, it's also write in the form of two ring. First ring are joined to second ring. So it is the what here? Same benzophenone. Same here, one ring means benzene ring joined to the one CH3 group. It is called what here? Same what here? Acetophenone. It is a what here? Molecular formula. It's a structure formula. Clear? Okay. So aromatic ketone means what here? The carbonyl carbon bonded to similar aryl group means a two benzene group called as the what here? The aromatic ketone, or what here? One aryl group, second alkyl group is also called the what here? The aromatic ketones. Clear beta? Now question asked in examination, how to classify what here? How to classify the following compound into simple ketone and complex ketones. Clear? Or how to classify the following compound? It is aliphatic aldehyde or aromatic aldehyde, or it is aliphatic ketone or aromatic ketones. क्लियर है? तो क्वेश्चन आपकी बुक में दिए है बेटा, आपको पढ़ना अच्छे से। हाँ, टॉपिक याद रखना है आपको, इसका जो मेन जो रहता है बेसिक्स वो याद रखना है, उस पर से आपको डिटेक्ट करना है कि वेदर द गिवन कंपाउंड इज अ सिंपल कीटोन, एरोमेटिक कीटोन और एलिफेटिक कीटोन और मिक्स कीटोन और एलिफेटिक एल्डिहाइड और एरोमेटिक एल्डिहाइड। क्लियर? ओके। तो क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन एग्जामिनेशन, हाउ टू क्लासिफाई द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड इनटू सिंपल और सिमेट्रिकल कीटोन और मिक्स्ड और अनसिमेट्रिकल कीटोन। क्लियर? फॉर एग्जांपल बेंजोफिनॉन, एसिटोफिनॉन। क्लियर? ओके। हाउ टू क्लासिफाई द what here the benzophenone, acetophenone and what here butanone. So it is benzophenone, acetophenone and third we take the what here butanone means CH3 single bond CH2 C double bond O CH3. How many carbon? 1 2 3 4 called what here butanone. Butane means the 4 carbon, known called as the suffix of the ketone called as butanone. So how to classify the following compound, this benzophenone, acetophenone or and butanone into simple and what here the complex ketones. So both this benzophenone and acetophenone and butanone, these three is a example of what here the mixed ketone. This ketone, why? Sorry, this acetophenone, acetophenone, butanone, this two is an example of what here simple or symmetrical ketone. Wrong हो रहा है, एक मिनट। क्वेश्चन क्या है? हाउ टू क्लासिफाई द what here the following compound into simple ketone and what here the complex or mixed ketone. So the benzophenone is an example of simple ketone. Why? Because two similar real group attached to the ketone, so it is called what here? It is called as simple ketones. Whereas the acetophenone, it will be two different group attached to the carbonyl carbon, is called what? Acetophenone is an example of the mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. Second, butanone, it also contains one methyl group and second ethyl group, that's why it is also the example of what here mixed ketone. MK means mixed ketone, it is also the what here mixed ketone, it is the example of what here simple ketone. SK simple ketone. Clear? MK means what here? MK means what here the mixed ketone and the SK it is called what here simple ketones. तो क्वेश्चन आते हैं बेटा, आपको क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आएगा, हाउ टू क्लासिफाई द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड इनटू व्हाट हियर द एलिफेटिक एल्डिहाइड, एरोमेटिक एल्डिहाइड और एलिफेटिक कीटोन एंड द एरोमेटिक कीटोन्स। वैसे क्वेश्चन आपको याद रखने हैं बेटा, ठीक है? ओके, टॉपिक इजी है बेटा। तो हमने आज क्या फिनिश किया? क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कीटोन्स, टू टाइप्स एलिफेटिक, एरोमेटिक। Aliphatic divided into two types depend upon the aryl or alkyl group attached to what here carbonyl carbon. So simple or symmetrical aliphatic ketones, and second mixed or unsymmetrical what here aliphatic ketones, and second aromatic ketone, and third question classify the simple and complex ketone by the benzophenone, acetophenone and last here butanone. Okay, so in this way we finish the topic second classification of ketones. Okay, thank you so much.